What Kirtan you remember? Don't see book. I don't want. Any Kirtan you can do. You like.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Excuse me.
You have not remembered any Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Narottam Thakur?
I know it, but not by heart.
Oh, you are now busy.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, जय जय राधा रमण हरि ओम। 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 जय जय राधा रमण
very big festival in Jagannath. Lakhs and lakhs devotees are dancing and singing Jai Jagannath, Jai Subhadra, Jai Baladev. So we should do some of Jai Jagannath, Jai Baladeva, Jai Subhadra for 2 minutes and then we see.
Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya
जगन्नाथ देवी की
जय।
प्रभु बलदेव की
जय।
सुभद्रा देवी की
जय।
रथ यात्रा महोत्सव की
जय।
गुंडिचा मंदिर मार्जन की
जय।
जगन्नाथपुरी की
जय।
सचिनंदन गौर हरि की
जय।
पवन नित्यानंद प्रभु की
जय।
गौ प्रेमा
हरि ओम।
ज्ञानंजन शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरवाय गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदारे कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ता Once, when Krishna was in Dwarka, he was sitting in the council of Yadavas. Baldev was also there. Ugrasen Maharaj was leading there because he was king. And Uddhav, Akrur, all the Yadavas were there. In the meantime, all were glorifying Krishna. But Krishna was somewhat upset. Uddhav was sitting by the side of. He asked that, why you are upset? It seems that your mind is not here. He told that indeed you are telling like so. I am upset and my mind is not here. You know that Nam Tisthami Vaikunte Yoginam Hridayana cha Jatanat Bhakta Gayanti Tap Tistham Manhara. Krishna had told that Narad, I am not in Vaikuntha. I am not in any devotee's heart. When the devotees are singing heartily, in melodious tone, I am quite absorbed with tears and melting hearts. At once I used to go there. Today I am thinking that some songs are coming, very melodious and heart melting from the quarter of Rukmini. Perhaps there is going something. Someone is talking about me. So I cannot live here. The matter was that all the queens, Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambanti, and Kalindi, all were there. They were assembled in the courtyard of Rukmini Devi. All the queens were telling to Rohima, Baldev, mother of Baladev, that mother, we are here more than 108 very beautiful queens. In whole world we are qualified. Among them, Rukmini, Jamwanti, Satyabhama, Rohini, Kalindi, Bhadra, Mitravinda, Nagnavinda, and all are prominent aides. We are so qualified, we are so beautiful, more than any of world women. But Krishna is not controlled by us. Sometimes sleeping with me in one cot here, and he weeps bitterly. And he tells like, "Oh Radhe, I cannot live without you. Be merciful to me. Oh Lalite, oh Vishakha, where you are." Whole night waking, and thus his pillow and weight is wetted with his tears. Sometimes he takes my hand in his hand and tells as if he is mad, "Oh Radhe, why you have done man to me? Why you are angry to me?" So, whole life passes and weeps. Sometimes he feels so much melted hearted that he calls Mother Yashodhi, where you are? Give me bread and butter. My cows are hungry. I must go at once to cowherd. The boys are calling me Dam, Shidam, Sudam, Vasudam, Sto, Krishna, Lavanga, Arjun. All are calling. They are waiting for me on the door. And all the cows are humming. What? Mooing. Very loudly. They don't give milk to their children, their calves. All are hankering for me, so I must go at once. They don't think that I am in Dwarka with my beloved Rukmini Queen or Satyabhama. He always remains for pleasure. Why? What is there? In pleasure, they have no wealth as we have here. Gopis has no ornaments like us. They are not beautiful than us. Why Krishna has given this heart to Gopis? They are living in forests. They can decorate themselves only with flowers, not with golden and jewels. There Krishna used to go to cowherds, and here he is like a king. But why he remains always like that? We want to know this. Do they know some magic? Jadoo means magic. Or they know any mantra? Vashikarna mantra. Vashikarna means controlling. They know anything. Surely they know something. That is why Krishna is always remembering and always waiting for them. Why? When Rohini Devi, he remembered all the pastimes of Krishna. From boyhood to when he was at 12 or more age, all gradually pastimes of Krishna he was remembered. In the meantime, the mother of Kans, He was too old of 100 years, more than that. She was like a bending like this, always head like this, always walking on stick. She came and told that, oh, very dangerous thing. Why you are talking for gopis and goats? They were very cruel. Very cruel, very cruel. Even Yashoda, he could have brought up and nursed Krishna and Baldev. Krishna and Baldev are the son of Devaki. But anyhow, by the fear of Kamsi, they were sent to Gokul. But he never gave a drop of milk to Krishna and Baldev. Sometimes they used to thief in neighbor's house, Gopi. And then they used to complain to Yashoda, and Yashoda at once used to wipe them in grindles, sometimes their hands here, and sometimes chastising. How it is this? He never gave a shoe or chapel even, because in forest there were so many thorns. Cows used to go here and there in thorns, and the pieces of stones like very firm. But Yashoda was so cruel, and Nanda Baba was also so cruel that he never gave Krishna supplied any shoe or any umbrella. So hot in India, in present. And he never gave. So don't tell their histories. I know them. They never paid anything. Whole day from morning to evening they used to graze cows here and there without any pay, without shoes and umbrella. And he never gave me butter, so much butter there, but he never used to give. Like a servant, anyone can give something, but never she gave. Always repeating. Once he tied Krishna, and Krishna was weeping bitterly. But that lady has no mercy at all. She has took a stick and wanted to make Krishna. And Krishna, mother, don't beat. I will never do. He has never done mercy with his sister. So, here I am telling you that my husband Ugrasen is so merciful. I think Krishna was 12 years there. No? And he has taken the milk of Yashoda. No? And they have taken some, after then, when they became of 5 years to 12 years, they have taken bread and butter something. So we should count that what was they have expended for Krishna for 12 years. And we should also count that how many days, how many years Krishna has grazed there. So they should pay for grazing to Krishna and Baldev. There will be some amount of rupees. And also Krishna took there, they gave some cloth. So we will count everything and we will call Gargacharya. He is so expert in account and also astrologer. He knows everything. So when we will count, make a statement, what was the salary of Krishna and Baldev for grazing, and what had they expended for Krishna and Baldev. For only we will not pay, because it is the party of Jashoda and Nanda and Gopis. We will never pay for Rohini. Only we can pay for Krishna and Baldev. So there should be a report for this. And when it will be
balance it.
Balance, if anything comes, we will pay double. Because we know that the salary of Krishna and Baldev is more and much more than he has taken something. Because sometimes he has gone to another neighbor house and there he has stolen and taken. At that day we will not count. So she was telling like this. Rohini became so angry too. My husband is so broad-minded and generous and very merciful. So if anything comes in balance towards Jashoda and Nanda, we can pay double. And if our balance is more for grazing the cows for Krishna and Baldev, then we will give up. Very generously, piteously we can give up that. No, we don't want. So we are calling to Gargacharya. Then Mother Rohini became so angry. I know who are you. Who was she? Wife of Ugrasen. But Kans was not son of Ugrasen. Once this Padma in young age was playing with her Sakhis on the bank of Yamuna. At the same time it was evening, and in the same time Drumil came, Drumil a demon. And he took her, and Kans was there in his home. So I know that you are not chaste lady, and that is why you are not knowing the glory of love and affection of Brajavasi. And that is what telling so. So he becomes so furious. He stopped Padma and began to tell how Brajavasi love Krishna like their eyes,
People of eyes.
people of eyes. They cannot be without Krishna. Jashoda once, first day when he was going to graze calves, being a little baby, Rohini Maiya is telling this pastime, that when Krishna and Baldev on their first day were telling again and again, Mother, we want to go to cowherds because we are goat. Let us give order. But they were not giving order. At least when they began to speak, then Jashoda Maiya told that with calves you should go very nearer to this field and this Vrindavan and again return back. But she brought very beautiful souls and umbrellas that Krishna used to take and wear this sandal. Krishna told the mother, cows are our worshipable. We worship cows. They are like mother. If you want to give me, then bring shoes for all the cows, lakhs and 9 lakhs of cows you should bring. If 1 lakh, then 4 lakhs, because they are at 4 feet. And umbrella for all. And then giving them, and then I may take the shoes and umbrella. Otherwise I cannot. So I can I want to worship them. Not their master, but being a servant of cows. Because I am Gopal. What is the meaning of Gopal? Maintainer, supporter and nurturer of cows. As a servant of cows. Yashoda could not give it. They have so much. Once Yashoda told, my boy, all the gopis are coming to me and complaining that you have gone to their houses and you have kept some butter from their homes. Mother, why you are telling that truth? मैं नहीं माखन खायो मैया मैया मैं नहीं माखन खाऊं भोर भयो गौवन के पाछे भोर भयो गौवन के पाछे मधुबन मोहि पठायो मैया मैं नहीं माखन खाऊं Mother, why you were telling that I have taken makhan? I have not stolen makhan, I have not eaten makhan. And very morning, you sent me for cow herding in Madhuban, and I went there. And always being with cows here and there. And when it became evening, I am coming with cows now, and after that I will sleep. Then when I took makhan, it thinks that I am not your son, your own son. You have borrowed me from anywhere, or I have taken birth anywhere, and my mother left me, and anyhow you got me. That is why you tell me like so. So I want to go to Jamuna and to jump in Jamuna. Or I will go anywhere I like. I am not going to live with you now. At once, Yashoda began to weep bitter and embraced Krishna. Oh my son, you have not taken makhan. I have not told lies. Then he began to tell Krishna, मैंने ही माखन खायो. Mother, no, I have taken makhan. And Yashoda taken, no. You have not taken. And then he began to what? Chorus Krishna. And weeping. And begging Krishna with her tears and wedding from her. The breast milk was coming spontaneously. And then Yashoda told that I will never tell like this. In future I will not tell like this. So Rodimaya was telling. Once Krishna was going to carry to cowherd with Shakdam, Siddham, Madhumangal and all were there. Blacks and black cows, some black, some golden, some white. It seems that it was looking like Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati were mixing and going. One is the heads and what is the cows, white, black and reddish was seen. Miles and miles. Krishna was going, mother was also pursuing him, Nanda Baba was also pursuing him. Krishna is telling that it is my oath, you should return now from here and go to your home. Nanda Baba also he was telling, but they were not easily leaving Krishna. Anyhow, Krishna saw Lalita, Vishakha and all other gopis, they are peering from the windows, some peering from groves, some peering from the doors, here and there. Krishna was at once attracted. He saw towards Yashoda, Srimati Radhika. Bansi Karan Nipatitam. Bansi Karan Nipatitam. Skalitam Sikhandam. Brashtan Chapi Tabasanam Brajarajasam. Jasya Kata Sargat Vimukchatasya Tang Radhika Paricharami Kadarashena. Krishna saw Srimati Radhika. And just so that Srimati Radhika was doing archan from her eyes. And Krishna was taking very lovely. Both eyes, two became four like this. Krishna began to tremble. Bansi came on earth from his hands. His pitamba came out of his body. And he was about to faint. But Madhavangam, he pushed Krishna and told that, oh, you are not seeing your father, Nand Baba is here. What you are doing? So this is the love and affection, Joe. And by this love and affection, Krishna is controlled there. Gopis had so much affection and love that they think we have not a little love and affection for Krishna. Dhanyas Kamur Matoyo Viharin. Oh, these deers are coming with their husbands. Their husbands have some black collars. So they are called Krishna Shah. And they are telling to their wives, you can see Krishna very easily. Don't fear, we are with you. But our husbands, all are opposing. If they see that we are talking with Krishna, we are saying to Krishna, they will come and control us. They will chastise us. So we want that we should die and become. So Roni Maya was telling so many pastimes of Krishna. And all were eagerly hearing. Krishna could not stay in the courtyard there, council. And he came with Baladev on the door. But when he wanted to enter there in the council of Gopis and Roni Maya, there was Subhadra Devi, sister of Krishna and Baladev. She blocked and told that you cannot come in there. Because Rohini Maya has ordered that be on the door. Any male person should not come here. Even Krishna and Baladev should not come here. If they are coming, you should stop on the gate. So she stopped the Krishna and Baladev. But sound was coming something. And Krishna very patiently was hearing, Baladev was hearing, and Subhadra was hearing and hearing. There, Roni Maya melted. Her heart melted. And all the twins, they are very wondered how this president is there. And Krishna hearing and Baladev and Subhadra, they melted. Their hands melted up to here. Their feet melted. Their heart melted. In the meantime, Narad came and glorified Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra. Krishna and Baladev also and Subhadra. He told that, I want a benediction. What benediction you want? In the meantime, that is so, their talking was stopped. Krishna became gradually in his own shape, Baldev and Subhadra also. And then they entered in the room with Narad, and there Narad told that I want some benediction. What benediction you want? I want that what say in melting, your hands were melted, your feet were melted, your everything was melted. I want to see forever in this world these three murtis, Vigraha. Krishna, yes. I will be always present in Nilachal Dham forever. So Krishna, Baldev and Subhadra are there forever, and Rath Jatra festival goes away. He sometimes being whole year in Dwarka, and he for 9 days he wants to go to Vrindavan. He cannot bear the separation of goats and goats. So he goes to Vrindavan, and this Gundicha Mandir is like Sundarachal or Vrindavan. To go here, there, and freely meet with Nanda Jasoda and all the gopis. Here, when one day before of festival of Rath Yatra, that is tomorrow is Rath Yatra, Mahotsav. So today is Gundicha Mandir. First, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not in Puri, then the king of Puri used to manage of everything. And they used to send their servants to clean the temple and to wash and to whitewash. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, no. No servant will go. We will ourselves. He took to hand thousands and thousands of broom here, and took one clay pot, colors, earthen colors, and with mridanga and kartal, dancing and chanting and singing Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. They started from Jagannath temple to go there today. And very morning at about 6 and 7. And thousands of persons followed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave each devotee for chandan with his own hands and garlanded them. And they started kirtan. And so many parties, jumping, dancing and singing Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Jai Jagannatha, Jai Jagannatha, Jai Jagannatha, Jai Jagannatha. Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Baladeva. Jaya Subhadra Devi, Jaya Subhadra Devi, Jaya Subhadra Devi, Jaya Subhadra Devi. All went there. First they began to brown very big courtyard.